was just watching a video in this room, and then I heard a massive bang on the window. So I went outside to check, and look what I found. A bird had flown into the window. Look at him. He's fine, I think. He's not going to, like, attack me. But he's just resting at the moment. I think he hurt himself. I think he's just a bit shocked. So I think he ran into the window. Come on. You're fine. Look at that. He's fine. He'll get better. You okay? He's fine. I think he's just a bit shocked. But he'll get better. Look at him. He's fine.